Okay, so I'm starting off on the stretched hair. Only the top half of my hair is stretched. I didn't stretch the back because I wanted the braids to be neat in the front, because that's the braids that you're going to be able to see. So anyway, I'm just adding jam to make it a little bit neater, and then I'm going to braid. I was just freestyling this braiding pattern. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just going with the flow. So yeah. And I know these braids are not straight. Okay, I know they're crooked. They're on the side of my head. They're supposed to be in the middle, but they're on the side. But it's okay, it don't matter. You're not gonna be able to tell once I'm finished. So you can see that I've already done another braid, and for this braid, I've added a little piece of hair to make it longer and make it thicker, because I have fine hair and I didn't want the braid to be too thin. So the piece of hair that I added made it longer and thicker to make it look better. So yeah, just braiding that up. And the last piece, you're gonna see that I'm going to feed in a couple pieces of hair again to make the braid longer and thicker. So this is what it looks like. And then I've finished. I just connected the braids and put it in a little ponytail. And then, you know, later I'm gonna add the hair on top of that little ponytail, of course. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Ignore me. Yeah, this is my braiding pattern. I don't know what the heck it is. Don't say nothing. And now I'm just taking my Jamaican black castor oil with the peppermint, and I'm putting that on my scalp, and then I'm going to make sure that I massage it really good, because nobody wants a dry scalp, and this also promotes hair growth. So yeah, make sure you massage the oil really good into your scalp. And this is the hair that I'm using. I've already used this hair before. The last time I did it, I had 2 leftover packs, so that is why I decided to just go ahead and use this, so I can save some money. I didn't have to buy any new hair. So yeah, and there's 4 pieces on each loop, like one whole loop. There's 4 little pieces on there, and as you can see that I just took the loop off, and I'm just using 2 pieces at a time. And later on, you're gonna see like that I started using just 1 piece because I was scared that I wasn't gonna have enough hair. So once I get to the top, I started using just 1 piece of hair. And right here, I'm just fluffing out the hair so it's bigger and I don't have to use as much hair. Now you can see I'm just shaping it to frame my face a little bit better and get the shape that I want. So this is all the hair that I had left, and it's not very much. So I didn't want it just laying around the house, so I decided to just go back in and add those pieces of hair. Okay, now that I'm all done, I'm about to go to sleep. I didn't lay my edges because I was about to go to sleep and it was like no point. So I'm just going to put my jumbo bonnet on and go to sleep. So this is the next morning and this is how the style looks. It's really cute. It was simple and it was easy to do. I hope you guys liked this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what you want to see next, and please subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss when I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!